Hi. So I guess if you're here watching me, that means that you had trouble with question number 4 on the worksheet. But remember, I really want you at least trying these and go back and look at your notes before you come to this point. Okay. All right. So first we have Jenny had driven for 2 hours at a constant speed when road repairs forced her to reduce her speed by 10 miles an hour for the remaining 1 hour of her 152-mile trip. So let's think about that. We have Jenny started here, she got here, she went one rate, and then she had to stop, and then she had to go a little bit slower because her car had broken down. But has she changed direction? Hopefully you see no, so that means it's a same direction problem. Now, that means that you're going to be adding her two distances together to equal the whole distance of her trip, which was 152. So it's like adding two segments together and they equal the whole segment. All right, now it asks me find her original speed, so that means that's my unknown, so R. So we're going to let R equal Jenny's original speed. Jenny's original speed. Okay, now she had to reduce her speed for the second part, so I'm going to do that R minus 10 was her reduced speed, equals her reduced speed. Okay, so I've got my variables for each piece, and now I'm going to put them all together in my chart. So D equals R times T. Now remember, it's the distance of the first part and the distance of the second part equal the whole part. All right, so let's talk about, we'll call this one our original speed and this one the slower speed. This is when she went slower. So we know that her original rate was R and her second rate was R minus 10. We know that she drove at that original rate for 2 hours and then she did the second part for 1 hour. All right, those are being multiplied, so we write our distance in terms of R, which is going to give me 2R and then 1 times R minus 10. Now remember, that's that phantom 1. We don't really need it, do we? All right, so we set D1, which is 2R, plus D2, which is R minus 10, and that's going to equal our whole distance, which was 152. Okay, and so then we add like terms. We get 3R minus 10 equals 152. We add 10 to both sides. We get 3R equals 162. We divide both sides by 3 and grab that calculator and we get that R equals 54. And so that's Jenny's original speed, so 54 miles per hour. 54 miles per hour is how much she went for those first 2 hours. All right, guys, hopefully that helped you today. Bye.